Good morning, class. Today we'll take the another topic of the chapter, a shirt in the market. So we were discussing how the farmer is growing crop, and in this segment we'll discuss the market of Erode. Erode market is in Tamil Nadu, and Tamil Nadu is one of the largest cloth market in the world. Not in India, but in the world. The large variety of the cloth is sold in this market, and the cloth is made by the weavers in the villages around this. Also brought from here sale. Around the market are officials or the cloth merchants who buy the clothes, and other trade come from many South Indian towns also come and purchases cloth in this market. So market is very much flourished. Nearby reason the people come to purchase the cloth. So on the market days you would also find the weavers bringing clothes. मार्केट डेज में वीवर्स बना हुआ अपना कपड़ा लेके आते हैं. दीज मर्चेंट सप्लाई द क्लोथ टू ऑर्डर द गारमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरर्स एंड एक्सपोर्ट्स around the country, and they purchase the yarn and give instruction to the weavers about the kind of cloth. Means whatever the demand is there, they fulfill the demand of the merchants, the weavers. So about the kind of cloth is that made, and the following example we can see how it is done. So this is particular the processes like the merchant shop in the bazaar. Over the year, the traders have developed extensive contact with the garment firm around the country from whom they get orders. So these traders purchase yarn or thread from the others. Second है आपका the weavers live in the village around and take the yarn supplied by these traders to their homes where the looms are located in the shades. मतलब अपने घरों में ही वो looms establish कर लेते हैं adjacent to their houses, बिल्कुल अपने घरों के बगल में. So these the photograph shows that the power loom in such home the weavers and their families spend long hours of working on these looms. Means all help each other, ठीक है, rather than hiring the labor from other area. So most weavers units have about 2 to 8 power looms in which the yarn is woven into the cloth. The variety of the cloth like saris, towels, shirting, and ladies' dress materials, bed sheets produced in these looms, and they then bring back to the finished cloth and to the traders, and here they can seen getting ready to go to merchants in the town. The traders keep an account of yarn given and pays them money for the weaving this cloth. So this was the processes which is done. Now putting out system. So putting out system is the system as we read the looms. Looms whatever they establish in their home or nearby houses. So putting system, weavers producing clothes at home. So the merchant distributes the work around among the weavers based on the order and receive the cloth. जैसे जैसा order आता है उस हिसाब से वो कपड़ा बुनते हैं. And the weavers get the yarn from merchants and supply him the cloth. And for the weavers, this garments seemingly has two advantages. The weavers do not have to spend their money or to purchase the yarn, and also problem of selling the finished cloth is taken care of. मतलब उनकी ये टेंशन खत्म हो जाती है कि वो किस तरीके का कपड़ा बुने, क्योंकि जैसा ऑर्डर है उनको वैसा ही बनाना पड़ता है. The weavers know from the outside, and they should make the how much of it is woven. So however the dependence of merchants, both raw material and market, means that merchants have lots of power because of money, and they give order for the what to be made, and they pay very lower prices to the marketing to the clothes, and the weavers have no way to knowing that they know making the cloth for at all prices will be sold, and the cloth market and the merchants sell the cloth to the garment factories. In this way the market works more in favor of the merchants. तो ज़्यादा profitable कौन होता है? Merchants होते हैं. So weavers invest their savings and borrow money on the high interest rate by looms, as we have seen Sapna. I mean, so each looms cost 20,000 of, and small weavers with two looms and invest the 40,000. Work on these looms cannot be done alone, and the weavers and another adult member of his family work up to 12 hours or अ डे प्रोड्यूस क्लोथ, मतलब 12-12 घंटे वो लोग काम करते हैं तब एक कपड़ा बुन पाते हैं, और जिसकी कीमत सिर्फ 3,500 रुपीज़ होती है, इतना वो कमाते हैं in a month. So the agreement between the merchants and the weavers is an example of putting out system whereby the merchants supply and the raw material receive the finished product. It is prevalent in the weaving industries in most of the region. तो इसी तरीके से ये सिस्टम पे काम किया जाता है मोस्ट ऑफ इन दिस रीजन इन इंडिया. Here something is given about the cooperative. So which we see in the next video. Okay.